Hi, Michael Goldberg here, networking speaker, trainer, author of Knockout Networking, here weighing in for another round of 3-minute rounds. And here I have a question that was asked of me of a managing partner from a financial services firm that I work with. And he writes, how do I teach my team how to network? Any best practices would be great. How do I teach my team how to network? Well, there's a number of things that you want to consider if you're teaching your team how to network or if you yourself are looking to create a networking strategy. First and foremost, I believe that you have to create or look to create a target marketplace. And I've spoken about target marketing in some of the past rounds of 3-minute rounds. Having a target market is key. It is not the only way to go about creating a networking strategy. I just think it's the easiest way. A target market is whom you serve best and therefore wish to serve most. It's where you feel you do your best work or where you want to do your best work. Now, if you don't have a target market right now, it's not, it's not a showstopper, but you want to start to focus on a marketplace that you want to create and establish as your marketplace. But that's key because from a networking standpoint, that will help you determine where you need to go, what you need to say, and with whom you need to say it to. So focus on a target marketplace, an industry, a profession, a market segment, a niche. The more specific you are, the easier your networking will be. The second thing that you want to consider is once you have a target market that you're going to take aim at, is that you want to then come up with questions that you're going to ask your target marketplace so you can learn more about it and become more of a valued resource to it. There's two different types of questions that I like to talk about. One is what I call conversational questions, and the other is proprietary questions. So conversational questions are questions that you would just use to get to know people. So, hi, very nice to meet you. So, what brings you here? What type of work do you do? Do you like what you do? What is it that you're looking to do here? How do you market your business? Do you have a target market? Questions like that. I like to ask questions of people that I would love to be asked of me. That's a good rule of thumb. Then there's proprietary questions. Proprietary questions are questions specifically oriented to an industry, a profession, a market segment, or a niche. So what are the trends of this industry? Where do you see it going? What are the greatest challenges? How does somebody that does what I do succeed working within this industry? Where are some places that I need to go that are specific to this industry? Are there professional associations that I need to know about? What are there? Are there publications that I need to know about? What are they? Who are the big hitters in this industry? Questions like that I refer to as proprietary questions. And then the third component as to how you can help your people network more and better, or how you yourself can network more and better, would be then you have to come up with an elevator pitch or a strategical way of expressing what you do and with whom you help that is consistent with your target marketplace. So establish a target market, come up with questions that are aimed at meeting people within that marketplace and learning about it, and finally coming up with an elevator pitch so you can talk about what you're looking to do, how you add value, and how it syncs up within that industry, profession, or marketplace. Well, that's it for 3-minute rounds. If you have a comment, a question, or something that you need me to discuss on a future 3-minute round, well, weigh in at michael@michaelnetworks.com. Otherwise, make sure you keep the elbows in and you win. Take care. See you next time.